Hi guys, today we have this great hardcover book made by Educat about animals. This book will allow children 3 years and over to interact with the book and its magnetic pieces to the corresponding images on each page throughout the book. Now, if we turn the book, we can see that it is quite thick, making it easy and durable for your children to turn the pages. On the back, we have a list of other books, just like this one, that Educat have made for your children to have a look at and explore. There is also an example of how the book looks like on the inside. Now let's have a look for ourselves. We can see that on the right hand side there is a compartment for all the magnetic pieces for the book. As stated on the front cover, there are more than 20 magnets for this book. If we turn to the first 2 pages, we've got the giraffes and the hippos. If we open up the compartment, we'll get the hippos out. Okay. Now if we have a look at the magnetic pieces, they have strips of magnet on the back covering the entire piece for each page. Now they are quite thin, quite light, but also small enough to choke on, so please be aware. And it's just as simple as placing the magnet on top of its faded corresponding image. Now, if we lift the book, you can see that even shaking it, they won't come off. So they're light, but they're strong enough to hold on. Throughout the book we have the giraffes, hippos, elephants, pandas, parrots, frogs, tigers, dolphins, kangaroos, and the tortoises. Thank you.